All right, guys, so we finished up this side, the main kitchen area, the upper. So we're gonna start this dude. I already put a couple of pieces up, and I got a couple more hours tonight for the before the sun goes down. So I thought, hey, why not jump on it and get a little bit done? So let's get to building. Come on, let's go.
This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up.
Well, the wind just changed. You know, it was 79 degrees yesterday. It was 71 today. It's supposed to be, I believe, around 24 in the morning. Coronavirus, we're all sick because the weather just won't stick somewhere. You gotta love living in the Oklahoma Panhandle. Jiminy Christmas. All right. Wow. Well, guys, welcome to 60 and 70 mile an hour winds in Oklahoma. Yep. Jiminy Christmas. Hey, the wind's gonna blow. Dadgum.
Holy crap, what was that?
It's blowing hard.
It is.
Love you, thank you. Well, Jiminy Christmas just kind of blew everything over outside. All right, let's continue on. Well, there you go, folks. And there's my stupid dog barking at nothing. 'Cause he's an idiot. 'Cause he's an idiot. He's a cow dog. Dumb. right, guys. It's getting late, and I'm getting tired, but that's okay. Actually, I'm gonna go and shut down this video for tonight, and then we'll start back up in the morning and continue on. We're gonna put some sides on it, some shelves, microwave area right here, storage up here, storage. This is gonna be one big door and one storage area right down here. No, I don't know what we'll put down there, but you know, who knows? So I'll catch you in the morning. Hey guys, guess what? It's a different day. We're gonna start working on the camper again. It's finally warmed up again. Let's go build some more cabinets. Come on. Let's see what we've done. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you what I've done. I've been kind of just working in my shop, garage. Got me a little table set up. Got my skill saw. Got my chop saw. It's been really cold. It was 78 the other day, and then it dropped down to 26 yesterday morning. Anyways, as you can see, I've got some of the blocks filled in from the top all the way down. You can tell I've left those two out right there. That's because I want those inset. I want that to be a door with two just shelves. So, all right, so let's do this. I cut my piece from my sidewall ago. I'm gonna preload my staple gun. Did get me a different cord. I don't know what that was on the other day on the video. I brought one from the shop. I was tired of that little bitty short one. So, preload. Get this dude ready. Cause, as y'all know, we gotta spread some glue first. All right, and for me, that's about as good as a table saw. So, undo this one, undo that one. Set my straight edge back up here in the back. Here in a minute, I'm gonna cut the front out of this one, so I might as well set it up back here too. And as always, hydrate and get me a drink of Diet Coke. Whew, it's good stuff. Someday I'd like to be sponsored by Diet Coke and just drink all the Diet Coke I want. That'd probably be really bad for my health. Oh wait, I'm already doing that. Okay, let's get a measurement on height. I tell you what, guys, I don't know about y'all, but I'm doing all right with the coronavirus. But my allergies are just kicking my hiney. Too much wind up here in the Oklahoma Panhandle. Like a lot of people up here. When the wind was blowing 45 to 55 miles an hour the other day, everybody's faces just kind of started dripping. All right, there we go. I didn't figure you'd want to watch me glue that side up too. So, I'm fixing to make all of these shelves for this dude. I'm gonna fit them all in place, glue them, nail them down. I'm not gonna make you watch that, but I will come back and show you when I'm done. All right, so what I've done is I've cut my piece, I've marked my corners, and we'll make this my pattern. We'll cut it out and try it on all of them. If it works, Good. I'll make it for every single one of them and just trace it on all the rest. All right, let's see how it works. All right, guys, guess what? I knew I was meaning to leave off one side for a reason, but I didn't do that. I meant to leave it off, one side off, so that I could slide it in and then turn it. I can't get them in. I get one in. All right, it's okay. It is really close to fitting on that one. And all I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna cut one edge off. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got quite a bit done today. Got to put the face on that. We'll finish up the bones for this one tomorrow, and we'll finish up the bones for the bottom also. So you know what? Good night, I can't even get this thing going right. But I tell you what guys, if you're enjoying this, please like and subscribe. As always, the button's somewhere around here or down there if you want to see another one like this or the rest of this build. Just find it, there's going to be a link. Y'all have a good night, and I'll catch you next time when we do the other cabinets. Good night and bye.